How to verify your age on Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can verify your age on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to verify your age on your Roblox account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go to roblox.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then just go to the option here known as settings. Once you come to settings, you're going to be able to set this type of interface where by default you're already going to be under account info. So under account info, if you look at the bottom here, you'll find an option that says birthday, and here you can see a birthday, and here you'll find verify my age. So all you have to do is just tap the verify my age button here, and then it's going to take you to the new page where you can simply make sure that you prepare a valid ID, which could be a driver's license, passport ID card, or residence permit, and then just tap the start session option that you can find here. And then once you've done that, you'll be able to verify your age on Roblox. This way you can go ahead and then verify your age on Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.